This is such a sweet comment. And like one of the biggest things that I learned from the Joe Dispenza retreat is that lack is an illusion. Like, I don't know how else to describe it, but I felt so connected with everything, with everyone. It's really like that concept of I am, like in the law of assumption, we talk about connecting to the God state, like connecting to I am. Like, I really became that. Like, I became, there's no word for it. I'm trying to find the word for it, but it really is that I am, right? It's like I am everything. I am everyone. I'm connected to everything and everyone at all times. And truly, it is that connection to what Joe Dispenza describes as quantum nothingness, right? It's like nothing, nowhere, no time, but at the same time, everything, everywhere, all at once. It really does feel like that. And something that I would like to share that I experienced is how it's such a simple realization, I think, for me, because at the same time that I was at the Joe Dispenza retreat, I was also reading the autobiography of a yogi. And if you have not read that book, I highly recommend it because it will change your life. But I think it was sort of like a collective realization for me that there is no such thing as lack. And like lack is just a belief, right? And I have so much compassion for the old version of me that believed more in the illusion of lack than in the expansion of abundance and joy. And it's funny because I look back at the person that I was before I went to that retreat and I'm like, that's not who I am anymore. Like that version of me died. And I am so much more comfortable in the unknown and I get excited in the unknown. And I'm kind of in that period right now. I don't know what's next for me. I'm just sort of living life. I am not setting goals. I don't really care for that. I am really just in this stillness. And, I use the word soul a lot, but actually, a word that I've been resonating with even more is presence. Like I am just in presence, right? I'm not thinking about manifesting a certain amount of money in my bank account or a specific person or even like a relationship. I'm not thinking of any of that. I'm just really coming back to presence and living life. And I cannot tell you how liberating and freeing this feels. And honestly, I share this process in my new program. It's called the Anti-Manifesting Manifestation Process. I've talked about this before and I'm going to continue to talk about it. And I'm still finding the right words to replace like manifesting because it's not even about manifesting anymore. It really is deeper than that. It is spiritual connection. And that's not even enough. Like there's no words in the English language to describe the feeling of freedom and liberation that you feel when you just understand that life itself is intelligent, that life is alive. Like life itself has consciousness. And when you can connect with that consciousness of life and allow life to move through you and show you really what you're capable of, like the potential, the highest potential of you, that is when magic happens. So that is something that I learned at the Joe Dispenza retreat that is just so priceless. It's like, I'm so glad that I made that decision. It didn't make sense to me at the time. I'm in Jakarta. I literally booked my ticket like 2 weeks before. It didn't make sense to me at the time, but I'm so glad that I listened to that soul nudge and just said, yes, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to figure it out. Like, I'm just going to buy the ticket and I'm going to figure it out. And everything just fell into place so smoothly, so seamlessly. It was such an amazing experience. And now my next desire, and I know it's going to happen when it happens, but I want to go to his 7-day retreat. So yeah, just, holding that intention and gonna live my life and enjoy my life But if you really want to learn the manifestation process, definitely get that at the link in my profile. It is the 8-8 portal as well. So this is really just a very powerful time to set intentions, um, and just, feel into the life that you desire. Okay. Thank you so much for following my journey. And I never thought that me sharing my Joe Dispenza meditating journey would actually bring so many people into my field that is also interested in the same things. I have a lot of people that follow me, um, on my YouTube and my TikTok, and all of you guys actually come from the Joe Dispenza videos, which I think is so wonderful. But yeah, let me know if you have done any of his meditations, and if you need any support or advice, I would love to help you with that. So yeah, just comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.